What's up, poppers? Today, okay, that was out of focus, but today we are going to drive my car. Brand new, I got like 2 days ago, and here we go. So, yeah. There we go. Let's get it up and running.
All right.
All you need to do is
Okay. Don't crash.
I won't.
Dylan did before. She's driving through people's yards. I don't know if they like that, but. Okay, turn around.
Wait.
Yeah. Come this way. Wow, your driving's getting better. You haven't wrecked yet. Oh my goodness. What happened? Oh, she's driving into the flower bed. Back up. Whoa.
Oh, I like that up there. I'm gonna do that again.
Mary has a tree growing in the middle of her yard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's getting crazy over here. Do you know what you're doing? All right, it's Max's turn. All right, Max. Go ahead, Max. Well, how about just start from there? Okay, Max's turn. Don't. Okay. Don't run into us, Max, please. We want to keep.
At least he ran to me.
We want to keep. We want to keep our ankles. Oh, he already wrecked. Back up. Back up.
I am trying to.
Oh, well, watch out. Come this way.
Make an epic turn. It's not so epic any. No! No!
All right.
Car! It's not funny, Dylan.
Hey, be careful. Hey, watch out. Hey, let go.
It's okay. Wait.
It's okay, honey. We can get new tops. All right, go ahead, Max. Don't run over anybody.
Save me.
Save me. Watch out. Watch out. Max! Max, what are you doing?
How do I back up again?
Max, you're driving through the flowers. Max! Max, those are beautiful flowers. Hey, do I get a turn? I guess when there's kids around, I don't get a turn.
Oh, give me that. I'm a better recorder than you anyway. No!
Oh, back up. No. Back up, you press up.
Okay. Now my turn.
All right, don't hurt anybody.
Oh, man. Oh, my goodness! That was so amazing! It wasn't amazing, it was bad.
Uh-oh. Max flipped it.
I have an idea, guys.
Yeah, my turn.
Wait, no. I have an idea.
What's that?
Stay here and record for me.
Okay, can I pause it?
I have an idea.
Dylan has an idea.
All we need is, hey! Voila! And voila. I got this kite.
All right,
So I thought-
back in a few seconds.
Cool. We're here. You can see my arms are free. This one too. But I just had this awesome idea.
Hey, where's the...
We are going to take my... Are you serious?
Oh, I need the... There's a bar in there.
Whoa. But we are going to tie the kite to here. It will be flying off because there's not much wind right now. You can see hardly even moving. But we are going to try and drive it with the... Wow! There goes Max. Lonely, lonely, lonely.